guys, this is for X-Teeners New Year giveaway. Can you see that? Yeah. My resolutions are to lose weight, maybe like a pound a week, but in total, I just want to lose like 5-10 pounds, during 2010, and I just want to stay more fit because I've been eating like all this like fast food and stuff. So I want to stay fit, and my second resolution is to get good grades. And in order to get to do this, I need to maybe study more and be more focused. And I need to maybe not procrastinate. I've been procrastinating like a lot. But yeah, hopefully I do better. Cause I didn't get to get any classes in my winter because like it's really full in my college. So yeah, and my last one, my last resolution is to be more positive. Cause I guess I've been kind of mean this year, like to like my family members and stuff. And I know like I don't mean to be, but I just need to change that. Maybe I've been spending like a lot of time with like other people instead of them, so I need to focus on them and be more nicer, and hopefully that will work. So yeah, that's it. That's my New Year's resolution. Thank you. Bye.